from Peanut Butter and Jelly, and today we're about to tell you about how to play
chess, rolling,
roulette. My name is Akar,
My name is Tiara.
and first of all, we would like to show you about the part of this board game. So we have the spinning roulette in here. We open it. Ta-da! We have this fake noodle, and then we have 6 envelopes contain of questions about the chess age of rolling 20s, and then another 6 envelopes containing the answer for each questions. And then we have this. So in here we have 3 cards for help. The first one is call a friend card. The next one is vote card. And last but not least, Google card. And in here we have special place for the dares. If you cannot answer the question, you have to do the dare. Okay, so now let's jump into the way to play this game.
So this is the game that we need. All the tools and the necessary tools are going to be inside this box. So first, you have to open it. Next, you have to take this out and this one out, the one that have there. And then you have to pour this noodles or whatever it is into the special slot here. Oh my god, the bird! Be sure to keep this since it's plastic and it's dangerous.
And then we pour the jar into this noodle.
So you have to have this 3 card. And now we have to do the gambreng thing or whatever it is. So 5, 6,
7, 8.
I did it first. So around the clock. So first step you have to go is we have to spin this wheel, and the arrow will show you which questions you are going to get from the envelope. Okay.
Once more.
Spin once more.
Okay.
One more time, Morete. Okay, you have Alto. So you have to open the box of questions. Here we go again. Then the envelope that have the writing Alto on it. Which one is Alto? So everything have a special level, and it's correspond with all of this name, and you have to look for the one. Where's Alto? Here is Alto. Okay, this is the first level, this is the second level, the third level, fourth level, first of all, the fifth level. Oops! I don't want to have Alto, but it's okay. So I get the Alto, and I'm going to pick one color. Nice. Not the hardest one. Mention. Big. So, since I have the wrong questions and I answered wrong, I have to pick one there from the box.
give more instructions about this game. So each player are gonna have 3 cards. The first one is Google card, and then phone card, and then call a friend card. So you can use Google card to Google your answer for 30 seconds only. And then for call a friend card, you can ask a help from your friend. And last but not least, the phone card, you can use it for the multiple choice question. And the phone of your friend's answer, you can use it and take it as your answer. Okay, so here we have 2 kind of envelopes actually. So the first one is the one who have name on it. It is the envelope for the questions. And then for those who do not have the name on it, it is for the answer. So you can just open it and then say this pocket and then 0. And this is for tenor question. So this is the question and this is the answer. Okay. See you. Happy playing.